For my Teach It video, I chose to solve the one from chapter 3 for A15 for the distributive property. Not a very good artist, so bear with me here. But this is the one that you solve for. If A and B were whole numbers with A greater than B, you use the rectangle in the figure to explain why A plus B to the second power minus A plus B to the second power equals 4A. Now this is solved through the distributive property, which means through this we can distribute A and B as seen in the figure here of the rectangles across. So this basically, the figure here is basically an explanation or another way of viewing what our equation is here. Now we can see that it equals 4 AB through simply looking at how this is distributed across the rectangles. We have AB on each side, which only makes sense that we see that through looking at our A and our B. It's distributed evenly around the rectangles, which gives us, in our four sides that each one contains an A and a B, would give us our 4A. Which makes sense through our distributive property and also the associativity of our problem here. So yeah, there's not there's not much more it can write down from here besides explaining that our figure goes along with our equation and makes sense with the way it's set up through looking at our equation and knowing the definition and distributing this equation onto our figure of rectangles. So that is all for chapter 3.